Jeremy here. We're going to go over a front kick workout. So that's front kick. That's the first one of our basic kicks that we teach our beginner belts. So if you're a white, orange, or a gold belt, this would be a good video for you to follow along with, because we're going to do the front kick 3 different ways. The first way we're going to do it is we're going to focus on the 4 parts of the kick. We're going to do it in the air facing you. We'll do it sideways so you can kind of see what's different perspectives on the kick. We're also going to do it for balance. And the third way we're going to do it is for kicking on a target. So let's get started. So first of all, face your black belt instructors, attention stance. On my side over here, I have Saban Suzanne LaBerge, and over here, Amy Miner, Saban Amy Miner, amazing third degree black belt lady. They're going to be kicking for us today. Let's do our bow. We say respect. All right, team. So let's drop back into our guarding stance. Okay, so the 4 parts of a kick are up, out, in, and down. On a front kick, what we want to do is we want to keep our belly button forward, and we're going to lift our knee up so it faces the ceiling. So we're going to kick with our back leg. So whichever foot is behind, if you're watching this on a laptop or on a TV, your front foot is the one that's closest to the TV. Your back foot is the one that's farthest away. So take your back leg, lift your knee up. So you're going to lift your knee up nice and high. You're going to kick your leg out. You're going to bring it back, and then you're going to set it right back down behind. So again, the 4 parts of the kick are up, out, in, and down, okay? So we're going to kick along with our black belt ladies. We're going to do 5 of those on each side. Here we go. And we're going to key out. You got to key out. You got to let out that energy. Ready? 1. Ready? 2. Ready? 3. Ready? 4. And 5. Awesome. Now switch legs. Okay, the other foot. Ready? 1. Ready? 2. 3. And 4. Last one. Ready? 5. Nice. Okay, so now Saban and Suzanne and Saban and Amy are going to turn to face each other. And what they're going to do is they're going to take turns kicking. Now, if you're working out with somebody at home and you want to take turns, be aware of something very important. It's called distance. You don't want to be too close to each other. We don't want to kick each other. We need to be careful whether we're training in the dojo or at home. We need to make sure that we're aware of our surroundings. So please don't practice next to breakable furniture or furniture that could break you. Make sure that you're not too close to your brothers or sisters or your parents or whoever you're practicing with or whatever your target is. Make sure you're at the appropriate distance. So they're making sure that they're far enough away to where they're not kicking each other. We're going to take turns. We're going to start with Saban and Amy over here. They're going to do 5 kicks each. Their goal is to take their knee and point it at a certain place on their partner. So if their kick is high, they might point their knee at their partner's head. If their kick is at body level, they may point their knee at their partner's belt. If they're like me and totally inflexible, they might go boom and kick each other in the toe. I don't know. Ready? Here goes Saban and Amy. She's going to go first. There's 1. Here comes number 2. 1 for Saban and Suzanne. I'm going to get out of the way so you can see them kicking. There you go. There you go. Is this number 4 or 5? I can't count. 3. Oh, man. Okay. Hold on. Here comes number 5. There we go. There we go. Awesome. And here they go. They're going to switch their feet, and they're going to go back and forth again with the other foot. Ready? Don't forget that left leg. Or your right leg. Depends on which one you started with. 2. Here's number 3. There we go. There we go. Then he comes up. 4. Look at their hands. Their hands are up. 5. And relax. Okay, team. So we're going to be moving on, and we're going to be practicing some balance kicks, which means we're going to be kicking in slow motion. So for the next phase, what I want you to do is I want you to have yourself positioned where maybe there's a couch next to you, or if there's a chair. My recommendation is not using rolling chairs in the kitchen. And I'm telling you that from personal experience. Make sure your chair is anchored into the ground, at least with some legs, and not wheels, okay? All right, so moving on, we're going to be practicing some balance kicks. First thing we're going to do is, the reason we have a chair next to us or the couch or something to hold on to that's stable and isn't going to fall over is so that we can have that there should we need a little extra help with our balance. So again, with Saban and Suzanne, Saban and Amy are going to show us how to work this. So they're going to put one hand on the chair just for support for the first round. And our goal is going to be, through practicing these balance kicks, is to take our hands away from the chair and bring them back up to our face. In fact, you can keep the free hand up by your face right now if you wanted to. And that will tell you which leg you're kicking with. We're going to kick with the outside leg. So here we go. They lift up their leg, knee comes up. Remember, that was the first part of the kick. Second part of the kick is you extend the leg out there, and we're going to try to squeeze it. You got to try to hold it out there. You got to try to hold it. Then they bring their leg in, and then they set their leg down. So that's how we're going to work this part right here. We're going to do it. We're going to try to hold each position for 5 seconds, and we're going to do 3 kicks on each leg. So here, position number 1 is up for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's out. We're squeezing our leg out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Position number 3, we bring it back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we go down. And we're not counting to 5 when we go down, because seriously, who forgets to put their foot down? You got to do it gracefully though. Okay, here we go. Ready? Second time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Position number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Position number 3, they bring it back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And position number 4, we put it down. I held 5 fingers up because that's my magical ability, is to say a number and not be able to hold the same number of fingers. Now, as we go through this, on the 3rd round, yes, you're laughing at me. That's okay. I don't mind. On the 3rd round, you try to be lighter with how you're touching the support structure there. If it's a chair, couch, whatever, try to be a little bit lighter each time. Try not to use it as much. Okay. Ready? Here goes. Last round on this leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we set it down. Nice. That was one leg. Now we're going to do the other leg, and just be thankful you're not an octopus. Let's switch sides. So you can switch the chairs around, or we can switch places. It's up to you. There we go. Okay, well, while we're at it, I'm going to do it too. Okay, here we go. Ready? All right, now we're moving on to the other leg. Okay, chamber that knee up. Here goes position number 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Okay, here we go. Ready? Kick number 2. Ready? Here comes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. One last kick. Again, remember you're trying to be a little bit lighter with the way that you're touching your support structure. I keep saying that. It's a chair. For a couch.
Superstructure.
Yes. Yes, you're not guaranteed not to fall over with this thing, so be careful. Ready? Again. Here comes the knee. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Excellent. Let's face our instructor team. Attention stance and down. All right, here it is, round 3. This time we're going to be kicking a target. This is one of the highly specialized martial arts training devices that we created in another video, where it's a magazine and some duct tape around the edges. Super simple to create one of these, easy to do with some things you have around the house. This happens to be the holiday catalog from Century Martial Arts 2019. I'll tell you right now, this thing is harder than a regular magazine, so this should be fun for the ladies. They switch places. This is Savana Maybe, Busavana Suzanne. Try not to mess this up. All right, so anyway, they're going to do front kicks, and on our front kicks right now, Busavana Suzanne's going to hold for Savana Maybe. We're just going to hold it out there. You can hold it with 2 hands, you can hold it with 1. Just be aware, the less hands you have on that thing, the more likely it is to fly away. So she's going to hold it flat for right now, because what Savana Maybe's going to do is she's going to try to point her toes. Can we see what that looks like? There we go. Point. Ninja class. Guys, we've been working on that. Point, flex, point, flex. Okay, so here she goes. We're going to hold it about, belt level, stomach level, and she's going to do 5 kicks. She's going to bend her knee, snap it, bring it back, and set it down. Ready? Here comes number 1. Ready? 1. Ready? 2. Ready? 3. Ready? 4. Ready? And 5. Okay, she's got to switch feet. Do the other leg. Ready? 1. Ready? 2. Ready? 3. Ready? 4. Ready? 5. Yes. Okay, now we're going to switch that pad over. Oh my goodness, respectfully with a bow. Okay, Busavana Suzanne's going to do 5. This time she's going to do it on her own, and I'm not going to count. I'm going to stand here and try not to talk. I'm just kidding. I'm totally going to talk. Look at how she's lifted that knee up. She changes that knee, snaps that kick out there. 1 more. Yes. Okay, here goes. The other leg. Yes. 1 more. And 5. Awesome. Well, let's face our black belt ladies. Attention stance. And bow.